Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I will show you how to remove headrests on the 2007 Chevy Tahoe. This video applies to Chevy Tahoes made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Okay, so now there is a little trick to it. Like basically there is a button right here which you are supposed to press, and while you hold it pressed the headrest is supposed to go up. But that's not happening because the safety pin will not let it go up. So if you look closer on the other side of the headrest, you will see like a small hole right here, and there is the pin you need to push to release the headrest. Now this applies to the passenger side as well. I will show you that same hole here, and it also applies to the rear seats. Best tool for this is actually a paper clip or a small needle, and what you have to do, just I'm trying to work with one hand here, just disassemble it, and this paper clip will work perfectly to push that pin inside here. And while you have this pin pushed, then you can press onto this button and lift the headrest up. Okay, now once the headrest is out, I'll try to record what happens here. So I'll try to push that pin now, and you see that little thing moving in there? So that's the pin. You see how I push with the paper clip, it releases. So yeah, that's the point. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.